Hi traders, thank you for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the NVDA 15-minute chart here going back several days, and also do a trade review of a trade that we took today on NVDA for a nice profit. And the idea here, the reason why we go over this chart and go over our winning trades is so that you can learn from them and get better as a trader. If you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage of the website and get to know us better. And once you do that, you can sign up for the premium membership. And once you sign up and join the premium membership community, you're going to get instant access to profitable trading alerts like the one that I'm about to show you on NVDA. It's a great opportunity to improve and learn and get better as a trader, and we'd love to help you start making winning trades in the market. All right, so let's take a look at this chart here. We did a video yesterday on that included NVDA, and we mentioned a few things here. All right, so we had this downtrend line. You can see right here, this is the 15-minute chart here, going back to, over here in the top left of the screen is the 27th of November. So we've got, it started here, got a hit there, rejection there, almost hit it there, almost hit it here, hit it dead on here, and this is the close of yesterday, right here. This is where we closed yesterday, right at the trend line. And if you notice here, notice how it's kind of building a shelf here. We dropped a little bit, but then it's just been holding this price point. Okay, to me, that signaled that we were most likely going to move higher from there, because it had stopped, basically it had stopped going down and traded sideways for about 3 days in a row here. And as you can see, the last 2 days, it got super, super tight. And I'll draw this box so you can really see how tight it got. So see that box? How tight it's trading within this box right there. Okay, that's building up energy for the next move. And see how it was kind of curling up into it, curling up. You had MACD curling up, RSI was trending up. Okay, so that was kind of giving you those signals here that we could be looking for a nice move to the upside. So that's what we were looking for on NVDA. We posted it. We don't always post these videos like we did yesterday on NVDA for the public, but we did that. We also prepared members with this video, with a video and a watch list as well. We were looking for a pop to the upside on NVDA, and that's what we got. So going over the trade here, because this is today's action. All right, this is yesterday. All right, and the day before yesterday, day before that. All right, so we know what we were looking for and why we were looking for that. Now let's go over the trade. We had a gap up right here. This is the open of today right there, and we did not want to chase that, okay? Especially with options, you want to get a good entry. So we were waiting for a slight pullback on NVDA back into some support, all right? Back into kind of this level right here, which is the level that we were kind of looking at previously. About 190.27 is what we were looking at. So that was our entry, is on this candle right here, the third 15-minute candle. All right, the low, you can see that 190.12. We pretty much caught the low of the day because we entered in at 190.27. And I'll show you that alert right here. This is on the private Twitter feed. We also give the alerts via text message. Both are in real time. So in case, a lot of people can't sit on Twitter all day, but we have the text message alerts for those people that aren't on the private Twitter feed. And so we alerted this today, trade alert, NVDA, December 15th. That's next week's calls, the 192.50 strikes. We alerted those at 350. All right, I think the low of the day, the low contract was like 330 or something. So we almost caught the exact low of the day, and we got that right there. You can see that. This is at 10:13 Eastern time. All right, 10:13 Eastern time, and that's the third 15-minute candle because that's 45 minutes. So you got 1, 2, 3. So that was, oops, That was where our entry was. All right, see that at 10.13, that's where we entered. All right, so we're looking for a pop here on NVDA. And with these day trades, and just to let you know, our target here was 195. All right, we were targeting 195 for the day, for the first target, but I like to sell into strength on these day trades because you just want to pay yourself. You never know if it's going to putter out like it did today. All right, like it did today. So it was a good thing we did that because it didn't break out exactly how we wanted it to. So we actually sold. You know, sometimes you're better to be lucky than than good. And we kind of, I really don't know exactly, you know, I'm just being completely honest with you, exactly why we really sold right here. I just wanted to sell into some strength. We were kind of halfway through, halfway between 190 and 195 here. So I think that's kind of the reason why I wanted to get rid of part of the position there. So I sold part of the position right there, and I'll show you that alert right here. Out a third of the NVDA calls at 455. So that was a nice win for us right there. You know, this is a little base hit. All right, we tend to get a lot of base hits. We're not going for those home runs. You know, we don't get 1000% winners or anything like that, because I guarantee you that the people that are, you know, posting 1000% gains are also getting, you know, 100% losses a lot. All right, so we don't do that. We stick to conservative targets here, and it pays us pretty well. So we got out of the NVDA calls at 455 right there into strength, and then we kind of rode it out the rest of the day, and then we sold pretty much right before the close. I believe it was nope, not right there, right here on that little pop. We got that bounce we were looking for, and then we sold right here just before the close of the day at 375 on the remainder of those contracts. So again, we took profits here. We got some nice profit on here. And that's what we like to do, is we like to just squeeze out profit. You know, we like to make money and squeeze out profit when we can. We don't go for the home runs. Of course, the home runs do come every now and then, but most of the time we're just getting these nice base hits on a regular basis, and it seems to be doing really well for us. So thank you for stopping by and watching this video, everyone. I hope that you learned a lot from this video, because that's why we make these videos, and that's why we keep doing these videos, is so that you guys can learn and get better as traders. If you want to learn even more and get even better as a trader, then sign up for the premium membership. As soon as you sign up and join the premium membership, you're going to get instant access to profitable trade alerts like this one that we had today on NVDA calls. It's a great opportunity for you, and we'd love to help you start making winning trades in the market.